Good day to all of you and thank you for watching my video. For those who do not know me, my name is Jose Hooker. I work with M3 Realty here in Central Florida, and I'm a friendly realtor as well as an investor. Today, I'll be presenting this beautiful property that's behind me. This property is located in Lake Wales. Lake Wales is located about 45 minutes from Disney Park, 20 minutes from Legoland Park, about an hour and 10 minutes from Orlando, and about an hour and 10 minutes from Tampa as well. This property behind me, it's a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, beautiful property. Was built in 2021 and it's ready for us to see it. So come on, let's go. One of the nice features about this property that I really love is the porch. This porch is about 23 by 9 feet with 4 beautiful pillars as well as some 3 nice ceiling fans. Let's go take a look at this beautiful property. It's 3,100 square feet and 4,200 square feet total of a building. Let's check it out. As soon as you enter into this beautiful property, this is what you find. You find a beautiful family/living room. This is about 32 by about 16 square feet of massive, well illuminated with a beautiful tile floor where you can have gatherings with your family and friends. So can you imagine yourself in an afternoon on a weekend having some dinner or party over here and watching your favorite movie, just like what I'm doing right now? This is what this property will offer to the buyer. Are you ready to take a look at this beautiful kitchen? All right, let's go with me. Are you guys ready to take a look at this beautiful and massive kitchen? All right, come over. Let me start mentioning some of the beautiful features of this beautiful kitchen. Starting with the massive aisle. This aisle is about 3.5 by about 7 feet. Okay, and in addition, the aisle has cabinets on both sides of it. So it has cabinets on this side, and they're soft close, so they have soft close features as well as the other side. Another nice feature of this beautiful kitchen is the stainless steel appliances. Okay. Another cool feature are the it's got 23 cabinets in total, so you have plenty of storage space. There's reset lights underneath, which is a pretty cool feature. And in addition, if you guys take a look, this counter, this is quartz, which is pretty nice feature. Another cool feature is the backsplash. So if you guys take a look, this backsplash has been placed by hand. Each of this little square has been put by hand, if you guys can look. So there's a lot of work hours put in this beautiful backsplash. So not mentioning the lighting, the massive window that's right there, exhaust, and some cool lights that you guys can look above the cabinets. So if you guys take a look at above the cabinets, those are cool features. Massive windows, you can see outside. Take a look at the kids while playing in the pool. And then lastly is the pantry, which is right there across the kitchen. If you need something, the pantry is right there for your convenience, okay? I hope you enjoy this kitchen because I personally really love it. From the kitchen, we can transition to the dining room. The dining room area is massive. This is about 15 by about 15 square feet. Beautiful ceiling, beautiful lighting, beautiful all around. So can you see yourself having dinner here with your family and friends and enjoying this beautiful home? Okay. So from here, we can take a look at the owner's room. So come with me. The owner's room is located on one side of the property over here. We are about to enter the owner's room. The owner's room has some cool features. Let me show you. First of all, the floor has been changed. So the tile is different over here, different colors, different tones. The ceiling is super cool, as you can see. Well illuminated. It's got a nice size. This is about 15 by 17. It's pretty good size. And ultimately, we have the bathroom. Stand-up shower, beautiful counters, 2 sinks for the buyers. Let me show you these 2 beautiful rooms that are featured for a girl and a boy, which is nice. So we have this room painted in pink, which is very, very awesome. Well lit, nice floors as well. The rooms are about 11 by 12, which is a very, very good size. So we have 1 room on this side and the other room is in front of us. Let me go take a look at it. So here you will see the other room, which is the same size, but it's featured with a different color, which is awesome. The floor has been the same as well. Okay, nice size, well lit ceiling fans. Okay. Finally, we made it to the backyard. Beautiful, massive, large. This property is actually sitting on 1/3 of an acre, believe it or not. It's massive. So this beautiful backyard will be able to have people gatherings, have friends over. Actually, we have a pool that you can enjoy with family and friends, and this property actually has a storage room as well. Thank you very much for sticking with me throughout this video today. If you have any questions about this property or any other property that I feature in my channel, please don't hesitate to contact me. Here is my social media information. And please, once again, if you like these videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And thank you for supporting my channel.